Oh, yeah.
You're a nut. You're a nut. Oh, you should see her when I tell her and say,
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
when I do
Look at that. Pretty bird.
And put her for,
Are you a pretty bird?
and go up and down her head and start flying.
Are you a pretty bird?
Time say, you want to go to Mexico and get some tequila? You want to go to Mexico and get some tequila?
Tequila.
Huh?
You like tequila?
And play the
Oh, whoa.
mariachi band.
Yeah.
Play
Ooh.
maracas. We got watching America's Got Talent last year. Was watching, and they had a cockatoo on there. And I kept telling her she was going to be the next millionaire crapper. And they had this little kid that he was little Mexican, and he was in a mariachi band.
Don't fly away.
Oh my God, he should have.
What are you doing?
He was so good. I mean, I'm sure you remember Richard Ricardo played on I Love Lucy. Yeah. Okay.
Pretty bird?
There, it was a young one of him.
Ooh. Yeah.
I'll get you back in.
You're on a video camera, yeah. I'm recording you.
Not used to you being scared.
Pretty bird.
Mom, here, she's picking up.
You like tequila? Tequila?
I don't know why I started doing that to her. And
Can you look at the camera?
that
Over
great
here.
face. Look at
Crackers, cookies.
No, this is separate.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. There you go.